Cucumber Black Lentil Fried Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cucumber recipes and one of the most delicious of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the black lentil recipes and one of the most different of the Urad Dal recipes. Today we are going to make cucumber black lentil fried rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of black lentil. We have taken black lentil which has the skin removed from it, so it is not black. Half of a lemon, 25 grams of garlic, 1 green chili, 5 to 6 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, and around 100 to 150 grams of cucumber cut into small pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 5 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the shallots. Salt garlic. Keep on sauteing until the onions use pinkish color. Salt thoroughly. Now put in the fennel seeds. Salt the fennel seeds thoroughly. put in the garlic. Salt the garlic together with the rest of the mixture. Keep on salting. Now put in the ginger, salt, salt the ginger, put in the green chili, keep on sauteing. Now put in the black lentil. That will be salt. Start to mix thoroughly. Now put in the cucumber pieces, salt, thoroughly. Now pour in a spoon of lime juice. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt and mix. That will be something. in salt to taste. And a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix in the salt and the turmeric powder with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 250 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the cucumber black lentil fried rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cucumber black lentil fried rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the cucumber recipes and one of the most tastiest of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black lentil recipes and one of the most different of the Urad Dal recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.